That's it. That's it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nia here. And how you guys doing? I hope everyone is doing well. And nothing, I'm really excited for this video today because it's gonna be my first reaction video. I'm so excited. But anyway, how you can suppose from the title of this video today, I'm going to react the most popular musically on February 2018 best musically compilation. Yeah, okay. Alright, and yeah, I'm gonna put the link of the video in the description down below if you guys wanna watch it. And yes, I think that we should probably start. It's better. 1, 2, 3, let's start. Poof. Okay. Okay. Boom 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 boom. Lauren, right? Yeah. She's so cute. She's so cute. Literally so cute. Aww. Love this song. Don't you worry, child. Oh, how? Oh, there is definitely something there. I saw that moving. So yeah. Oh, her eyes. Twins again. In the supermarket. Wow. I can do it. In the supermarket now. Never. Oh, she's Italian. She's Italian. I know her. I can't remember the name. Oh my god, they are so good. Lauren again. Can't believe that she's only.
A few moments later.